Hebei Guangzhou FRP Co., Ltd., is located on the shore of Hengshui Lake, a national wetland nature reserve in China, with convenient transportation and developed communications. Our company is a member of China Composite Materials Industry Association and a new technology enterprise specializing in the production of fiberglass reinforced plastic equipment. The company has a large number of employees engaged in FRP production and has established a composite R&D team focused on the development, innovation, and manufacturing of FRP equipment. The main products include FRP rebar machine, FRP mesh machine, braiding machine, pipe winding machine, tank winding machine, utility pole winding machine, pultrusion machine, and molds of various specifications. Our production facilities adhere strictly to internationally recognized standards, ensuring that every product meets or exceeds national and international requirements. The equipment currently produced is sold well all over the world and has been successfully exported to many countries, winning a good reputation. The company also provides OEM or ODM services to help partners create more competitive products. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and establish long-term mutually beneficial cooperation with us.